when do we need to schedule something?
Yeah. Anytime you have a single item that's worth more than maybe $2,000 to $3,000, because the limit in a typical homeowner's policy is likely to be around $1,500 to $2,500, right, per single item. So if you got something that's worth more than that, if it would be emotionally devastating to lose it because it's an heirloom, like you say, something passed down through your family, it's difficult to replace because it's unique, or something that leaves home very often, like your engagement ring that you probably wear every day, out and
Yeah.
about.
Or if you have a nice watch that you wear
Sure.
every day, or you wear it out on occasion more often than not. So more than likely, like it's not just sitting in a deposit box at the
Right.
bank, right? Or if you have a lot of high-end firearms, those things have special limits on them too, especially out here in our area. We have a
Lots of
lot of
people have
firearm
lots of
enthusiasts.
firearms.
Exactly. So you want to make sure, if you work hard for them and you spend a lot of your investment collecting these items, right? And even art, sculpture,
Sure.
paintings,
Hmm.
trading cards, things like that. Any
Yeah.
musical instrument sometimes, right?
I have a customer who has a collection worth of um, like retro board games that are covered.
Yeah, that's pretty
Go
neat.
figure. Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Yeah, yeah. So if you don't want to spend your hard-earned savings to replace an item that you already spent a lot of money on and you really love, make sure you get it scheduled. Make sure you talk to your agent and get it scheduled
Yeah.
on your policy or some sort of insurance on it.
And so, how do you do that, right? What does that mean? What is the schedule?
Yeah.
And it's the easiest way to think about it is it's just a separate, typically policy, maybe even a rider to your
Hmm.
homeowner's policy, but a separate policy that specifically covers those valuable items.
Yeah.
Sometimes for no deductible or a separate deductible, at least from your homeowner's policy,
And
and they can provide coverage in a wide variety of situations and scenarios, right?
yeah, and you brought up a good point, Christy. So there's a few ways you can do it and a few places you can do it at as
Mm-hmm.
well, right? So let's say if you have a beautiful $9,000 engagement ring, there's so many ways you can go about that. You can attach it. And when we say schedule, guys, like that item has to literally be listed, right? It's specifically talk about that one item that you want to
Right.
insure for. So
With
that
a very
one,
specific description, right?
absolutely.